everyone! Welcome back to the channel where AI preparation meets opportunity. Today, we're doing something a little different. This episode is dedicated to one of our amazing subscribers at Cheyenne 23, who commented and said, I want to be good at this stuff. I need this job in an office and at home too. Cheyenne, this one's for you. And for anyone else watching, if there's a specific career or role you want me to break down, drop it in the comments. Whether it's AI in marketing, AI in healthcare, or AI for small business owners, I'll personally create a video walking you through your next steps, just like this one. So grab your notebook, open a fresh Google Doc, and let's get you ready for your data analyst career, powered by AI. Step 1. Understand what a data analyst actually does. Before diving into the tools, let's get clear on the role. A data analyst transforms raw information into insights that help businesses make smarter decisions. They collect data, clean it, analyze it, and communicate what it means. In traditional terms, analysts worked mostly with Excel and reports. But now, AI and automation tools handle the heavy lifting. And analysts have evolved into AI data analysts who guide decisions, spot trends, and train intelligent systems. Your mission: move from data entry to data strategy. Learn to ask the right questions, not just run the right formulas. Step 2. Build your foundation. Month 1. Let's start with the basics that every analyst must know, whether remote or in office. 1. Excel or Google Sheets, still essential. Learn formulas like VLOOKUP, if, index match, and pivot tables. These skills translate directly into SQL and BI dashboards later. 2. SQL, structured query language, your data communication tool. You'll use SQL to pull specific data from databases. Sites like W3 Schools and Kaggle Learn have free SQL courses. 3. Google Data Analytics Certificate, totally free on Coursera for eligible learners. It walks you through everything from spreadsheets to dashboards. Plus, you earn a credential recruiters respect. Action plan for month 1. Study Excel 30 minutes a day. Learn SQL basics 3 times per week. Enroll in Google's Data Analytics Certificate, free trial. Practice your first project. Analyze a public data set, like YouTube analytics or sales data. You don't need perfection. Pause. You need momentum. Step 3. Learn the AI tools that make analysts powerful. Month 2. Now that you've got your basics, let's talk AI-assisted data analytics, the new frontier. The goal is to work smarter, not harder. Here are your top 5 must-know tools for 2025. 1. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini for summarizing reports, writing SQL queries, or explaining formulas. Prompt example: write a SQL query to find the top 10 most profitable products by region from this dataset. 2. Power BI or Tableau, visualization tools that bring your data to life. AI now helps suggest visuals automatically. 3. Google Looker Studio, free, cloud-based, and great for portfolio dashboards. 4. Notion AI or Airtable for project tracking, task automation, and team collaboration. 5. Python, optional but powerful. If you want to go deeper, learn libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn for data modeling. Action plan for month 2. Choose one visualization tool, Power BI or Tableau. Build 2 dashboards, for example, sales by region and customer satisfaction trends. Use ChatGPT to help write SQL or Excel formulas. Create a Notion workspace to track your learning progress. By the end of month 2, you'll have real portfolio projects you can show employers. Step 4. Master the business side of data. Month 3. Being a great analyst isn't just about numbers. It's about narrative. Employers don't want charts. They want clarity. They want someone who can say, this is what the data means, and this is what we should do next. So your next focus is data storytelling. Start small. Narrate your findings aloud. Sales dropped 12% last quarter due to seasonality. Customer churn increased after we removed free shipping. Use PowerPoint or Canva to present your dashboards with 2 to 3 slides explaining your insights. You're now learning insight communication, the most valuable skill in analytics. Woo! Action plan for month 3. Write a 2-minute summary script for one of your projects. Hey, record yourself explaining your findings, just for practice. Use Canva or Tome AI to design a mini presentation deck. Upload your dashboards to GitHub or LinkedIn as proof of work. That's your first data analyst portfolio. Free, simple, and credible. Step 5. Get job ready with a smart strategy. Here's how you turn your skills into a job offer, even if you have no degree or experience. Step A. Build your LinkedIn. Your headline should read, Aspiring AI Data Analyst, Excel, SQL, Power BI, Data Storytelling and Automation Enthusiast. Add your Google certificate under Licenses and Certifications. Upload your dashboards as featured projects. Step B. Apply to remote hybrid internships or freelancing gigs. Sites like LinkedIn Jobs, Handshake for students, Remotive.io, Upwork for entry projects. Start small. Even a $50 dashboard project builds your credibility. Step C. Join communities. Follow pages like Data Talks, FinExtra, and AI Finance Labs. Comment weekly. Engagement increases your visibility in recruiter algorithms. Step 6. Future-proof with AI specialization. Months 4 to 6. Once you land your first project or internship, focus on AI integration. Step 6. Future-proof with AI specialization. Here are 4 emerging specialties you can explore. 1. Data automation specialist. Builds automated reports using Python or Zapier. 2. AI risk analyst. Ensures algorithms use data ethically and accurately. 3. Data storytelling consultant. Partners with companies to simplify analytics. 4. AI business analyst. Bridges AI models with business outcomes. Choose one that fits your personality. If you love visuals, data storytelling. If you love structure, automation or risk. The key? Keep learning one small thing every week. Step 7. Create your proof of progress portfolio. Recruiters don't just want to hear you know AI. They want to see it. Here's your checklist for a strong beginner portfolio. 1 Excel or SQL project, cleaning and summarizing data. 1 dashboard, Power BI, Tableau, or Looker Studio. 1 AI-powered case study. For example, using ChatGPT to speed up data cleaning by 60%. A short LinkedIn post summarizing your results. That portfolio tells employers, I don't just learn, I apply. Step 8, your 90-day recap and career roadmap. By now, Cheyenne, here's what you've achieved in just 90 days. Month 1, learn data foundations, Excel, SQL, Google Cert. Month 2, built visual dashboards using AI tools. Month 3, created portfolio projects and shared insights publicly. From here, you can apply confidently for roles like Junior Data Analyst, Business Intelligence Associate, Operations Data Assistant, Reporting Analyst, AI Data Analyst Trainee. Your next step? Keep evolving. Every project you build adds value. Step 9, words for Cheyenne. And everyone watching, Cheyenne, your comment reminded me why I started this channel. You didn't wait for the perfect time. You just said, I want to be good at this. And that's how every transformation begins. Love you. To everyone else watching, this channel isn't a one-way street. If you need guidance for your specific AI career path, comment your target role below. I'll create a video just for you, tailored, practical, and personal. Because our mission here isn't to chase views, it's to create career clarity. Whoa, this is the kind of community where we build futures, one comment, one career at a time. Step 10, your weekend challenge. 1. Enroll in the Google Data Analytics certificate. 2. Build your first Excel dashboard using free data from Kaggle. 3. Post your progress on LinkedIn and tag hashtag AI Coach Imani. 4. Comment what industry or role you want broken down next. Your suggestion could be our next video. Remember, you're not behind. You're right on time. AI isn't replacing you. It's redefining you. Keep learning, keep building, and keep believing. Because your first AI-powered career starts right now. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity. Share it with someone ready to start their journey into data analytics. And don't forget to subscribe, because this week, we'll explore AI tools for the education industry and help those who want to prepare for educational careers in AI. I'll see you tomorrow where your curiosity turns into confidence.